Happy Saturday, beautiful people. I hope your Valentine's Day was so good last night, just like mine. I ate, watched movie, and got my bed. Your girl did not go out on the road. I was just, this is the reason. The problem with me, once I get cozy, y'all, it's gonna be so hard for me to get up out of the bed unless there's, there's something that I have to do or somewhere that I really want to go. And it did not include food, it only included drinks, so my ass was home last night, but it was fine. My Valentine's Day was good. I hope people who spend it with their partner, it was awesome. People who spend it alone like me, I hope it was good too. There is nothing wrong with being alone on Valentine's Day. So anybody who thinks something is wrong with that is pretty weird. There's nothing wrong with spending any occasion alone. But so today I am feeling so lazy. I really want to just go and make breakfast and just head right back into the bed. It's definitely gonna be a lazy day. I've been looking at the weather, the sun outside, and it's just in and out. It's kind of bipolar at the moment. But for plans today, we don't have any plans today. We currently don't have any orders today. I'm so sad. Like, I need some orders coming in. Like, oh, I want me some orders every day. I need to do a stock check off to see how much candles I have remaining, because I definitely been getting a few orders. They're coming in slow, which is okay. That's like how business is, but I know it will pick up, and I know I will sell off 100% of my stock. I can't wait to do that. I do need to get some more stock, but I just want to sell these off first, because throughout the time, y'all, I've been testing. So as soon as I gonna purchase more stock, I will be adding a new scent. So that's gonna be super excited. I gotten a lot of feedback. Sorry, Empress, she said she purchased the Vanilla Dreams, and she said it was pretty good. Like, oh yeah, the vanilla, like, you can't fail with vanilla. Vanilla is like so signature, and if you're a vanilla lover, then yeah, if you're like a sage type of spa, low-key, the lavender sage is so good too. Like, all three scents that I have, like, I really love them. But on the agenda today, like I said, nothing on the calendar to do. So just breakfast and watch YouTube all day. So we're just gonna have a vibe. There is a market that goes on every Saturday, I think, up Ligony, markets of different type of business and stuff like that. But honestly, I don't want to do anything. Today. I'm super tired, and tomorrow I do have plans. Tomorrow, Sunday, I'm going to a Valentine's I Love Souls. Y'all know that, the party that keeps every Sunday. I Love Souls. It literally plays Souls music only. There is no, like, they stick to their theme. So they're having the Valentine's Sunday thing, and I can't remember who's gonna perform there, but they're gonna have like 2 artists to perform. So looking forward to that. I did wash my hair yesterday because it was super dirty, and my birthday is upcoming, y'all, and I have no clue as to what style I'm gonna do. Sorry about that, y'all. Like, my phone said battery low. Oh my god, I need to go charge my phone. What was I saying? I don't even remember. But yeah, your girl is just gonna stay home until if something pops up, we'll see. But I definitely need to have some coffee. So I'm gonna make some coffee. You know what? I don't even know what I want. You know what? I'm gonna make what I want. Eggs and coffee. That's what I'm gonna do. But I didn't want to go around the stove. I just wanted to make something fast, which would have been cereal, and just go back into bed and watch some YouTube. I haven't watch I've been during the day while I'm working, I do watch 1 or 2 videos, but when it comes on tonight, I just turn on that Netflix TV and I'm just watching movies all night. So I'm a little behind on the girlies, for their channel, so I need to catch up on that. So we're gonna make our eggs and coffee. or should I do coffee or crackers? You know what? When I get into the kitchen, we're gonna see what breakfast and just relax for the rest of the day. I do have a planned sit down video that I need to do, and I'm like dreading it. I don't know, for some reason when I like sit down videos, like, and then I'm thinking I'm probably gonna have to wear makeup. You girlies who do sit down videos a lot with full face makeup, and even in like, I've watched some girls like every video they upload, they got on makeup. And no, they're not coming from work, okay? They're home. I was like, you guys are the goats. You girlies who wear the full face makeup or even light beat throughout the day in almost every videos, I gotta give y'all props. Probably I'm not a makeup girly. I'm not really girly most of the time. Like, yeah. All right. I'm gonna attempt to do the sit down video today. I wish I could, it would be so cool to just talk about it right now, but I want to do that in a separate video because we need content. So knowing me, yeah, I'm probably just gonna put on a light face, wear my hair like this. Yeah, if I add a little makeup to my face, do my hair, just have my hair like this, put on a nice shirt, I can do the video. I can do it. All right, you know, enough of the rambling. Let's go make breakfast. Let's go. All right, I have my second phone, so let me see who I haven't catch up with. I'm just gonna check my notifications to see. Oh, I need to respond to some videos. I see Onika is commented, Hempress, Euphoria, inspired by Sush, Hey Girl, Mimi commented on my videos. I need to like respond like ASAP and then watch what I need to watch. Right. Get it? Yo, guys. Have you guys watched the Vibes Cartel concert? What am I saying? The Vibes Cartel interview with Wayne Marshall? Like, oh my god, it's so hilarious. Like, we all know like Cartel is like lyrical. Like, this interview is so hilarious. Like, if you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and watch it. Like, it is funny as hell. It's on Meet the Mitchells YouTube channel. If you guys don't know who Meet the Mitchell is, like, guys, what are you doing? With Sean, and Sean said, oh, you know. So I'm actually watching part 2 of Vibes Cartel and Wayne Marshall. It's such an interesting interview. So I have decided that I'm gonna do my sit down video today. We'll be talking, you know, giving just my insights on solo traveling, because I think in my previous vlog, like I told you, Miss Euphoria, you know, she had mentioned, I was on her live and she just say, you know, why not talk about that, solo traveling? So thank you, girl, again for the idea. So that's what I'm gonna do, just give my, you know, whole 2 cents on solo traveling for females. So I can't wait to tell you guys about it. So I'm just gonna do just a little makeup. I'm gonna be one of those girlies, you know, put on a nice, you know, light makeup. Just a light makeup, y'all. So I think this will probably be like my first time doing like a behind the scenes content creator shoot. Super excited. I really need to, I have some points in my head about what I want to talk about in the video, so I need to write it down, because I know when I turn on this camera to start recording, I ain't gonna remember nothing. So I need to write down what I'm gonna discuss about solo traveling. And then if you guys like have ideas or any questions solo traveling, just drop them down below and then I can definitely do another video. I'm still trying to like grow my TikTok and Instagram, so I don't really have, I don't really have like much followers over there. I think on my Instagram I have 500 followers. This is actually my second Instagram account. My first Instagram account I had 3,000 something, and I think what had happened, I believe that my Instagram account was being hacked, because I think it was one specific day was Instagram was acting up and whatever, and I couldn't get into my Instagram, and then it came up and said to reset my password, and the email address that came up, I have no clue whose email address is that, so hence why I just, you know what, yeah, I'm not going to use this Instagram anymore just in case. So that's why I just created a whole new Instagram page, but I still do have that Instagram, page, but I actually deactivate it because I'm actually not going to use it anymore. The only thing that I'm sad about is just the stories and the memories, of the stuff that I had uploaded on that profile. But we're making new memories, so it didn't matter anymore. Y'all, outside is so dark, it's gonna rain. There is literally no sun outside right now, so I'm not gonna get any like natural light to record this video, which I'm super upset about. Like, I do have a ring light, a huge big ring light, but I don't even use that anymore, and it's like all in the closet. So that means I'm gonna have to use the ring light since I don't have any like natural lighting. But that's okay, we're gonna have to work about it how.
This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all fades away. Let me climb up your mountain. Let me search through your valleys. I got my eyes wide open. Baby, don't hide. Baby, keep the lights on.
Okay guys, this is literally giving a full face glam, and that's not what I intended to do. What the? Now I feel like I want to put on my wig. Like, I don't think I want to go in my hair natural like this because my face is coming along so well. Girl, I'm gonna have to put on my wig. Child, this is literally a full face I'm doing. Child, I can't really see. Guys, you see when you're videoing with your phone using the back camera, trust me. And I know, let me see, I'm not even like lined up that good, but damn, guys, I'm literally on my face looking all sculpt. The sculpture. Can't really see too much. And the bathroom light, you know what? I need to get like a brighter light for the bathroom. I don't think this bathroom light is bright enough. I am using my selfie light, but I think the bathroom light can be a little bit brighter, if I'm not mistaken. Just take it off. Put it in the brows here. By the way, did I tell y'all like I am a makeup certified person? I'm legit certified to do makeup. I went to makeup school, did all I needed to do, graduated. And yeah, your girl is not doing any face. I'm also certified in waxing too. Don't ask me why I'm not providing those services. For me to even provide those services, y'all, I am gonna need to go back to school because your girl don't remember how to do nothing. She's gonna have to practice a lot before taking on any clients. Y'all know I have to bend down already. I am yet to purchase the thing to go over the sink. I'm just gonna add a little blush. Right here.
Search through your valleys. I got my eyes wide open. Baby, don't hide. Baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on. Can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. Baby, keep the lights on. Baby, keep the lights on. And can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. I wanna see your body move. Yeah. I wanna see your body move.
All right, guys, I am hot. I am so hot. So I need to get into my room and finish getting ready. And then we're gonna, I think I need to change my top. I'll probably not change my top yet because I'm only gonna work with like the top half of my body for the videos. I'm not gonna change my top because it looks good. Black always looks nice on camera. So I am just gonna finish up my face here, put on my lip gloss, and then it's time to do a sit down video. Okay, babes, so left face is finished. I wanted to go with the red lipstick to just do a little pop for the video. Should I keep this behind my ears? I think I'm gonna, based on how I love to move up my hair. I'm not gonna lie, this needs some curls. If it had some nice curls in it, it would have looked so bomb. But anyways, we're gonna start our video. I think I do have a few notes in here, so I'm gonna just jot down some notes. I'm not going to tell you the exact topic about solo traveling, but it will be something surrounding solo travel. So since I'm going to upload this video next week, so I don't want to tell you guys yet. Oh, I was getting a call. Let me just check my business page if I got an order, because I would be so super excited. I would like, okay, video, you gotta wait till I get home. I need to drop off this order. Okay, so no DM. That's okay. That's okay. No WhatsApp. That's okay, guys. That's okay. I'm not gonna lie. I did got like my first week. I did get some sales. So super grateful for that, because not everybody like launched their business and get sale right away. So shout out to my supporters who purchased. Shout out to my friends. Thank you. Shout out to my YouTube subbies too, girls. Thank you to my local YouTubers. Anyways, all right. May I get hot in the bathroom, so I forgo cool on my face a little. Hey guys, it's Honestly. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So we are going to be talking about solo traveling.
Chemistry was crazy from the get-go. Neither one of us knew why. We didn't feel nothing overnight.
So guys, that is a wrap on my solo video. You guys are so gonna love it. I think I did pretty well for is this my first? I think I've done a sit down before, but not so. I don't think my sit down was informational. I can't recall, but that was fun. I think I want to do it more, and I think like adding makeup to your face and looking pretty, it really gave you that confidence. So girlies, I understand. Well, y'all face beat the face before you go on video for sit downs or even vlogs in general. I'm not gonna lie, because I'm looking in the mirror right now, girl, this red lipstick is giving me confidence. Like, oh, she's a boss. It's giving this face beats. I'm not gonna lie. I need to take 2 pictures. Oh, I need to take a picture. That'll be so nice. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. If the daylight, if the sunlight was out, ooh, the natural lighting on this piece would look so perfect. I'm not gonna lie, this is cute. But yeah, what is on our next agenda for today? I'm gonna take a few. I think I'm gonna change this top and take a picture, or stay in this top and take a picture. I'm probably gonna need a picture for the thumbnail for the solo travel video. So yeah, I'm gonna stick in this top, take a picture, and then after we're gonna wash off this face because I need to go lie down and relax. And I don't know why I'm feeling hungry and I just ate. It's just like, how long? Wait a minute, what time is this? Is this hour or my watch is wrong? Hold on. Oh my god. My watch is correct because I know I changed the battery. It is 3:55. I can't believe the day finished. I thought it was like 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock midday. Oh my god, that is so crazy. The weekend done, guys. I can't believe the weekend is finished. This is wild. I had no idea it was so late, y'all. Alright. Alright. We're gonna take a picture, do a little story. By the way, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, it's Honesty Thompson 90. Please follow me on Instagram. My TikTok is Kerrian Honesty Thompson. I think TikTok Kerrian Honesty Thompson. Yo, I don't even remember. Let me just go to it. I can't believe I don't remember my socials. I'm trying to move everything over to my government name too. So yeah, Kerrian, same thing. Honesty Thompson 90. Honesty Thompson 90. Yeah, for all socials. Yeah. So I finished taking the pictures and all of that. I need to just wash off this face. But remember I told y'all the birthday is this month, February. It's literally the 24th of February. Today is the 15th, and I'm having this birthday type of celebration going on. It needs to be planned. Well, it's already planned, but there's some stuff that I need to purchase, which I won't be able to purchase it on Amazon again because it's way too late. So I really need to coordinate some stuff. I haven't figured out the type of color scheme that I'm working with as it relates to the decor and the balloons and all of that. I need to sort out food. I need to sort out drinks. It's like a whole bunch of stuff that I need to do. Hold on. This light looks like it was on the camera. So yeah, it's like a whole ass list that I need to do. So I need to prepare for my birthday celebration. I won't get into much like what exactly it's gonna be, but you guys will see that coming next week. Y'all will see what the party vibe is about. I'm super excited. I will be turning the big 35. I can't believe it. The girl is 35. Like girl is 35. Anyways, so that's what I need to do. Just write the list, figure out stuff, and then yeah, that's just what we need to do right now. I also need to send out a broadcast message to my WhatsApp contacts. There's so much stuff to do, so that's what we're going to be finishing up for today. List of party items, broadcast message, and other stuff. Still need to figure out the type of hair that I'm going to do, if I'm even going to do my hair or just wash this and use this. I definitely need to get a pedicure. Not sure if I'm going to do my nails and all of that. Not sure if I'm even going to do my lashes or do my lashes myself like I have been doing. So not really going like crazy for this 35. 35 is definitely a big number, but we're just doing, it's nothing crazy. Actually, need to order me a cake, sugar and spice, of course. So let me just write that down. So party list. All right, sugar and spice cake. What else? decor. So party decor, food, drinks, broadcast message. So what's up? Okay, great, that's covered. All right. So guys, I am hungry and I just did not want what I have in the fridge. I have pasta that I made last night. I have seasoned rice in the fridge. I have fried chicken in the fridge, but I'm not feeling that. I want some fries. So I'm in KFC line. It was definitely between KFC or Popeyes. When I was passing KFC, the line did not seem that long, so I was like, okay, KFC's here, because Popeyes a little bit down the road, not that far, but I was like, KFC it is, because the line is good. I can hold this. It's definitely not going to be an hour wait, hopefully. But yeah, you see, I still have on the makeup. I'll know when I wash it up, and I know I just feel the makeup looks so nice. I'm so pretty. Anyways, I'm here in the drive-through, chilling. All right, babes, so we are home. I ordered barbecue zinger, the combo, and fries and drink. When I go to KFC, and when I normally feel for something KFC, it's the barbecue zinger that I get. If they don't have the barbecue zinger, I normally just buy like 2 pieces of chicken, barbecue chicken. If they ain't got no barbecue, I don't purchase anything from them. I just come out of the line, even if I'm in the line for like an hour, if they're not on a barbecue nothing, I'm gonna buy from there. I take my ass to Popeyes. With Popeyes, I can get 2 legs. With KFC, I can't get 2 legs. So you know who's priority first. Popeyes. Anyways, we are just gonna be chilling, watching our sweet mangolas. Finish that season. That's the new season, season 4. And that's it for tonight. See, I light my candle. Smells so good. So the scent is strawberry cream. So that's the one that I'm testing. So that probably maybe the new scent added to the list. We don't know yet. We're still testing it out to see, you know. Happy Sunday, beautiful people. So we are on the road. It's literally 1:22 in the afternoon, and of course when I eat nothing from morning, that's just so normal for me. I haven't eaten anything from morning, literally. But we just have a few errands to run for today, and then I told y'all about the Souls event I wanted to go tonight, so I'm just trying to sort out a ticket for that. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. Don't really have nothing else to do. Last night I just veg out in front of the TV, had the KC, veg out, and just relax for the rest of the night. I literally went to bed like 2 a.m. I finished watching Sweet Mangolas, by the way, and I don't know how to feel about this season, because episode 1 or 2, I think I'm kind of lost, and this season I think they have jumped through so many I don't know, I think they have jumped through, how would I say it? They jumped through too many seasons this season, because I'm lost as to where the Alexander guy came in. Because in season 3, I've never seen that. And what I did, I watched the last 2 episodes of season 3 before I started 4, just to refresh my memory, right? So I don't know where this Alexander guy came in. First of all, I don't know, this season I'm kind of lost, but I'm so glad homegirl got, it's obvious that they're meant to be together, and I don't know, I just don't know how to feel about this season. If y'all watch Sweet Mangolas, if you finish watching it, drop a comment in the comments and let me know. But I don't know, something is off. Cause like Mr. Alexander, I don't know where him come from. The second thing, I didn't remember that the chef, I can't remember his name. I didn't remember that. Oh, I don't want to talk about it. But I didn't know he went to the other side, or I didn't miss something in season 3. You know what I'm saying? Were we aware that he's on the other side? Because it was no surprise to them in season 4. So I don't know. Probably, I don't know. I'm lost this season. It was pretty okay. But I don't know. I'm just lost. Let me know if I'm crazy for feeling this way. Please let me know if you're feeling the same way that I'm feeling. Whoa, what a cardiac arrest. Alright guys, so we are on our way to the event. The sun is out and shining and bright. It's like 4:30 right now. So I'm gonna do a pickup and then we're gonna head to the event. Yeah, we're gonna have a good time.
Whatever you have drinking, I'm gonna need you to hold it up in time for the sunset. Okay? Sunset already? Yes, sir. Alright, I'll work with it. We're gonna pretend. After 2, 1, 2.
Hey guys, so we just left the brunch type event that I told you guys about. So we're at I Love Souls right now, so we're gonna heading. We are on time, which is great because I got parking directly beside the event, so I'm super happy about that. Anyways, we're gonna heading and see what the vibe is like. Thank you very much. Take care.
DJs, DJ Danny. Right? Now I want you to take out your phones because we are ready for showtime. The first performer, he is ready. Right? So right now I want you to make some noise. I Love Souls. Somebody make some noise for Lucky D.
Many years ago, like this. Don't let the things they say and do weaken your heart and conquer you. Just make your life one of truth.
We've been through it, yes. We got real yeah. See, baby, we've been too strong for too long.